Hey guys, this is PushedToInsanity, and what you're watching today is another free intro template tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the download file, which you should have downloaded from the description of the video, and open up the materials folder. You'll see that you're provided with the materials that were used in this template. So now you'd want to go and locate your Cinema 4D folder, which should be in your applications. Once you have located your Cinema 4D folder, open up the library folder and the browser folder, and you'll see that's where all the material files are located. So simply drag the materials that were given to you from the download onto that folder and open up your Cinema 4D file. To edit your text, highlight the Change Me object and change your text to whatever you want. Once you're finished editing your text, go to your render settings and save your intro to your own desktop or your folder. Once you have rendered your Cinema 4D part of the intro, open up your After Effects file. You'll notice that you're missing two files. One of them is the intro itself and the other one is the music. So to fix this, just right click the intro and go to replace footage and replace the footage with what you just rendered in Cinema 4D. I didn't actually render the intro template, but if you guys rendered it in a PNG sequence, make sure you open up the first picture, which should be the 4 zeros, and make sure that PNG sequence is selected. Now as you can see that the particle backgrounds are provided for you. If you guys don't have Trapcode Form, which is the plugin that is used to make this background effect, I'll provide you guys with the movie file, so you guys can just drag that under your intro to get that background effect. So you got to do the same thing for the music. So right click and replace the footage with what you're provided in the download. So once you're finished that, add your intro to the render queue and you can render out your intro.